And more breaking news coming in. Tomorrow, the Supreme Court will hear the Suo Motu Petition in the Arjikar rape and murder case. The court will also hear the fresh intervention application filed by Abhaya's parents alleging inefficiency in the probe and seeking further investigation. So the legal showdown, ladies and gentlemen, also now heads to the top court of the country. To get more details, I'm joined by my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar on the broadcast. Ananya, over to you.
Well, evidently, the Supreme Court bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjay, will be hearing the Suo Motu petition that was initiated by the Supreme Court after the horrific incident took place at the Arjikar Medical College in Calcutta. And post that, the court had been monitoring the investigation that has been carried out by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Remember, the Calcutta High Court had transferred that probe from the Kolkata police after their inefficiency, and then the matter was handed over to the CBI, and the Supreme Court was also monitoring that particular investigation that was there. And apart from that, the Supreme Court has also constituted a committee that was looking into, for providing a workplace, for a safe workplace, in fact, for the doctors itself. But at the same point of time, subsequent developments have also taken place at the Calcutta High Court, where, in fact, a petition has been filed by the parents, the state of West Bengal, challenging, in fact, that particular Sessions Court order which had granted life imprisonment to Sanjay Roy in this particular case. In fact, they've sought a death penalty as far as Sanjay Roy in this matter is concerned. So that matter is also likely to be listed in the next few days, or whether there would be urgent mentioning for that tomorrow itself is something that we'll have to wait more for. But the Supreme Court surely is going to hear this particular matter, and also an intervention application that was filed by the parents of Abhaya right before the conviction order had to come in, saying that that there has been illegible investigation that's been carried out by the CBI as well, and a lot of facts have been left by the CBI itself. However, the conviction orders have now been passed. Sanjay Roy has been awarded life sentence, and in fact, the court has, in very much detail, has gone on into how and what the investigation has been and how the CBI has carried that particular investigation. But as one thing that comes to light is the failure of the Kolkata police as far as this entire investigation, the initial investigation, is concerned in this particular case.
Absolutely. Thank you, Ananya, for joining us on the broadcast with that piece of breaking news. So the legal fight is far from over. Now this case heads to the Supreme Court, which will hear not just the Suo Motu plea, but also the intervention application from Abhaya's parents. This also comes as the war of words is only escalating after Sialda court order between the TMC and the BJP.